माइनस टोटल क्रेडिट 1000 है. बैलेंस कितना 6000. 6000 into 10/100 600 rupees. 6. Dear students, today I will explain the Vijay account. Vijay account. Amount due from Vijay. Amount due from Vijay. Vijay से पैसे आने की है. So that's why that is called asset. This transaction is a asset. So asset always debit. Asset always debit. To balance brought down 8,000. To balance brought down 8,000. Second one, March 4, goods sold to Vijay. Goods sold to Vijay. What is general entry? Goods sold to Vijay. Vijay is a receiver. So Vijay account to debtor. Vijay account to debtor. Vijay account debtor to sales account. Vijay account debtor to sales account. Vijay account में क्या लिखना? To sales लिखना. Vijay account में क्या लिखना? To sales लिखना. Posting the ledger. जनरल एंट्री से क्या करना? लेडजर को पोस्ट करना. विजय अकाउंट में क्या लिखना? टू सेल्स अकाउंट. टू सेल्स अकाउंट. March 12, goods returned by Vijay. Goods returned by Vijay. This is a sales return. This is a sales return. सेल्स डेबिट रहे तो सेल्स रिटर्न किधर रहता? क्रेडिट से रहता, ऑपोजिट रहता. सेल्स डेबिट रहे तो सेल्स रिटर्न क्रेडिट. हाउ मच दिस वन? 4,000. 4,000. March 16, cash received from Vijay. Cash received from Vijay. What is general entry? Cash account debtor. Cash account debtor to Vijay account. Cash account debtor to Vijay account. Cash received from Vijay. Cash coming in the business. So that's why debit. Okay. Vijay is a giver. Cash account debtor to Vijay account. Vijay account में क्या लिखना? By cash account. By cash account 3,000. By cash account. Next, received check from Vijay. Received check from Vijay. This is also received check. Bank account debtor to Vijay account. To Vijay account. चेक बदल क्या लिखना? इधर बैंक लिखना. सो बैंक अकाउंट डेटर टू विजय अकाउंट. विजय अकाउंट में क्या लिखना? बाय बैंक अकाउंट. बाय बैंक अकाउंट. नेक्स्ट, विजय अकाउंट सेटल्ड विथ 10% डिस्काउंट. इन दिस वन डेबिट से क्या करना? क्रेडिट माइनस करना. माइनस करने के बाद डिस्काउंट कैलकुलेशन करना. हाउ टू कैलकुलेशन द डिस्काउंट? कैलकुलेशन ऑफ 10% डिस्काउंट. Discount is equal total debit minus total credit. Total debit 8,000 and 11,000. Total amount how much this one? 19,000. कितने total amount? 19,000. Total credit 4,000, 3,000, 6,000. 4,000, 3,000, 6,000. Total credit 13,000. Discount is equal debit minus credit. Debit minus credit. डेबिट कितना है? 19,000 है. क्रेडिट कितना है? 13,000 है. बैलेंस कितना? 6,000. 6,000 को ऊपर कैसे कैलकुलेशन करना? 10% डिस्काउंट. डिस्काउंट इज इक्वल 6,000 इंटू 10/100 600 rupees. 600 डिस्काउंट. 600 rupees डिस्काउंट. नेक्स्ट, रिमेनिंग बैलेंस. रिमेनिंग बैलेंस that is called 6,000 minus 600. 600 is equal 5,400. 5,400 this amount. Okay. It is not enter the cash transaction. It is not enter the cash transaction. For example, goods sold to Ravi with cash. Ravi with cash. So in this one transaction, cash account debtor to sales account. To sales account. Goods sold to Ravi with Vijay. Goods sold to Vijay with cash. Vijay with cash. इसमें विजय नेक्स्ट कैश है. Next, you have to take the cash transaction only. So, what is generally cash account data to Vijay account? Cash account data to sales account. Cash account data to sales account. It is not enter the in this Vijay account. Cash transaction इसमें enter नहीं होते. Only credit transaction का enter होते. Okay, please इसका PDF डिस्क्रिप्शन है, चेक कर लो.